right, I have a really nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with lots and lots of updates right across the street from the Sir Optimus Park right here in Grangeville, Idaho. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate. Come on in and let's take a look around. All right, here we are in the upper floor of this split entry house. Taking you around here. If you watched my last video, you'll know that not a lot of houses in this area have air conditioning. And so this one does have a window unit right here and a pellet stove upstairs as a heat source. We're gonna walk into the dining area and then turn the corner into an updated kitchen, brand new cabinets, countertop, appliances. These are Maytag stainless steel, GE on the range there, really nice appliances there. Then we're going to take you out here on the wood deck real quick. The owner here just loves to garden, so they have lots of garden stuff outside into the backyard. Take a quick look around there. Fruit tree right there. Nice quiet area here on the north end of Grangeville. All right, now we're going to check out the bathroom upstairs here. Again, this bathroom has been completely updated. You can see there the double vanity, really nice countertop, lots of cabinetry there, and of course the shower and tub. Right here is the master bedroom. Again, they have a window air conditioner here. This is a nice size room. Plenty of room for your bed and some dressers. Then we're going to go straight across the hall to the second bedroom upstairs. All right, now let's go downstairs and check it out. All right, here we are downstairs. Right here is the laundry room and the bathroom for downstairs. It has a stand-up shower and the toilet, and then right there is the sink and vanity. All right, here we are walking into the third bedroom. This is the one that is downstairs. Nice big bedroom. As you can see, there's 3 beds inside of here. Really big walk-in closet for them. Then we're going to shoot across the hall into the bonus room. We have couch, love seat. There's a desk in here, plenty of room, wood burning fireplace, very large TV. Now we're going to go step outside and check out the park right across the street. So this is Sir Optimus Park. It is directly across the street from this listing. Big shade trees. There is some playground equipment up there at the far end of the park. So nice bonus of this property. You have all this great play area for your children, and you don't even have to pay for it. All right, a couple things for you to know before we go. If you have any interest in this property, please check out the video description. There's a ton of information in there that you will want to have, like the price, and there's a link to a 3D walkthrough here on the property. And then we also want to let you know that we're the only brokerage in this area who does videos like this for all of our listings. And so if this content is valuable in your real estate search, please give me a like on the video. Also, if you have time to leave me a comment, I would appreciate it. And make sure you're subscribed so that you never miss the next listing here at United Country Real Estate.